Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox YouTube thumbnails. First, let's plan your thumbnail. Consider your video's content and who you want to reach. Select a clear, high-resolution image or screenshot directly from Roblox that accurately represents your video. Think about the overall message you want to convey at a glance. A well-planned thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, often by as much as 20%, so take your time with this crucial first step. Next, let's focus on key design elements. Use bright, contrasting colors to make your thumbnail pop on a crowded YouTube feed. Incorporate large, readable text with a clear, bold font, ensuring it's legible even when viewed as a small icon. Adding relevant Roblox characters or popular in-game items can significantly enhance visual appeal and instantly communicate your video's theme. Remember, your thumbnail needs to be easily understood at a size as small as 128 by 72 pixels. Now let's talk about the tools you can use. For quick and easy edits, free online editors like Canva or Photopea are excellent choices, offering user-friendly interfaces and templates. If you're looking for more advanced features and greater control, professional software such as Adobe Photoshop or the free alternative, GIMP, can provide powerful editing capabilities. Always export your final thumbnail in a high-quality format like PNG or JPG, ensuring a minimum resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels for optimal display. Finally, let's cover best practices in uploading. Keep any text on your thumbnail concise, ideally under 5 words, to avoid clutter. Maintain a consistent branding style across all your thumbnails to build recognition for your channel. Once your video is processed, upload your custom thumbnail through YouTube Studio. Don't be afraid to test different thumbnail designs. A /B testing can reveal what truly resonates with your audience, potentially boosting your views by 10 to 15%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.